Question 9, part B, number 1. It says determine the stationary points of y, which is equal to g prime of x, and then classify your stationary points as either being a local maximum or a local minimum. So in order to do this, we'll first have to get the equation of y, which is g prime of x. So for number 1, we're going to say y, which is equal to g prime of x, is equal to, the first derivative of g of x will be 3x squared minus 6x. So now we need to find the stationary point of this graph, which basically means we take the derivative of g prime and make it equal to 0. This will give me dy dx, or if you like, g double prime of x is equal to, that's going to give you 6x minus 6 equals 0, and so it gives me x is equal to 1, which means the stationary point will be at the x value of 1. And now to get the corresponding y value, we sub in x equals 1 back into the equation of g prime of x. So g prime of 1 is going to equal to 3 into 1 squared minus 6 into 1. That's going to give me 3 minus 6, which is negative 3. So the stationary point is going to be 1 and negative 3. Now in order to classify it, this is going to be a local minimum. Since if you look at the function of g prime of x, it's a happy face parabola, and happy face parabola have minimums instead of maximums. So it will be a minimum function value.